To SQL. Today in this tutorial we will see how to click on alert. Here you can view on clicking submit button an alert is showing. We need to handle this alert by using Selenium. So let's begin. First of all we need to go on this URL driver.get and we enter in which we want to go. After entering the URL, we need to click on this submit button. We need to locate on this element. Right click and click on inspect. Here name also available. We can also locate this element by using XPath and name. Now we will locate this element by name. Driver dot find element by dot name. Here we enter the name. Now we want to click on this submit button. So we will use dot click. After clicking on this button, we need to click on this alert. For clicking on this, we need to enter driver dot navigate driver dot switch to dot alert. We want to accept, so we'll use accept. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and click on submit button and it will accept the alert. Chrome driver is opening. Here you can view, click on submit button. Let's add some weight for better understanding. Thread dot slip. Chrome driver is opening. After clicking on this submit button, it will wait 1000 milliseconds and then it will accept the alert. Here you can view two options are available. We can accept this alert and we can also click on this cancel button. First of all, we need to click on this confirm button. Here confirm option available, but we will use XPath. Web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Now we want to click on this button cancel dot click. After clicking on this confirm button, we want to click on this cancel button. In this scenario, we will use driver dot switch to alert dot dismiss. Accept is used for accepting the alert and dismiss is used to cancel the alert. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. In this scenario, first it will accept the alert and In second case, it will click on cancel button. Here you can view you press cancel. We can also get this text. For getting this text, we will need to look at this element. Here you can use the ID is available. We want to print this cancel text. Text is equal to driver dot find element by dot id. System we want to get the cancel text, so we will use text dot get text. In this scenario, it will get the text and will print the cancel text in a console. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. It will navigate to this URL, click on accept. After accepting, in second button it will click on cancel button and print the you pressed cancel. You press cancel is successfully print in console because you click on cancel button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.